you ever wondered what would happen if you could turn your wildest imagination into a stunning visual reality with just a few words? Well, guess what? OpenAI has just dropped a bombshell in the world of artificial intelligence, and it's called DALL-E 3. You might be thinking, what's the big deal? It's just another version of AI tool. But hold on to your seats, because DALL-E 3 is not your ordinary upgrade. It's a game changer, a true masterpiece, and it's here to answer the age-old question: can AI really understand and visualize complex, written descriptions better than ever before? Now here's the really cool part. DALL-E 3 doesn't just make pictures. It's like a super smart artist. It can create scenes with lots of details, like specific objects and how they relate to each other. Plus, it's awesome at adding text to pictures, making things look even more real, like hands in a picture. But hold on, there's even more good news. You don't need to be a computer whiz to use DALL-E 3. It's a breeze. No need for complicated tricks or special skills. Just type in simple sentences and voila, you'll see some seriously impressive results. It's that easy. OpenAI has really changed the game with DALL-E 3, making it simpler than ever to turn your words into incredible pictures. Now let's dive into DALL-E 3 and understand how it operates. DALL-E 3, in essence, is a supercharged version of GPT-3 with a whopping 12 billion parameters. But what sets it apart is its unique ability to create images based on text descriptions. Here's the scoop. It has been trained in a massive dataset consisting of text-image pairs. Now, the interesting part is that DALL-E 3 doesn't see text and images separately. It treats them as a single stream of data, allowing for a maximum of 1,280 tokens. Tokens in this context are like building blocks of language or visuals. For example, in our language, each letter of the alphabet is a token. We have 26 of those. But for DALL-E 3, tokens can represent both words and elements of images. So during training, it learns to predict and generate these tokens one after the other, using a technique called maximum likelihood. These enable DALL-E 3 to take textual input and, like magic, transform it into stunning images. Additionally, DALL-E 3 is built natively on ChatGPT. What does this mean for you? Well, imagine having ChatGPT as your brainstorming partner and prompt refiner. It's as easy as asking ChatGPT what you want to see, whether it's just a simple sentence or delayed paragraph. ChatGPT will work its magic, generating tailored, detailed prompts for DALL-E 3 that will bring your creative ideas to life. But that's not all. If you happen to like an image but feel it needs a little tweak, all it takes is a few words, and DALL-E 3 will seamlessly update the image to your liking. It's like having a creative companion that understands your vision. Now here's the best part. DALL-E 3 is currently in research preview and will soon be available to ChatGPT Plus and enterprise customers in October through the API, with a broader release in labs later this fall. Just like with DALL-E 2, the images you create using DALL-E 3 are entirely yours. You don't need OpenAI's permission to use, reprint, sell, or merchandise them. Now, when we take a closer look at DALL-E 3 and compare it to other text-to-image models, it's truly in a league of its own. It produces images that are not only more detailed, but also incredibly lifelike, leaving its competitors in the dust. Let's talk about Midjourney, a model that's been popular in this space. But when you put its image side by side with those from DALL-E 3, the difference is striking. DALL-E 3's image boasts brighter, more vibrant colors, clearer shapes, and even overall superior look. In contrast, Midjourney's images can appear quite blurry and lack the same clarity. Now into Stable Diffusion XL, which claims to generate images from text with fewer words and the ability to incorporate text into the images. However, when we compare it to DALL-E 3, it falls short. DALL-E 3's images are of higher quality, with text that's clearer and more appealing design. Stable Diffusion's XL images, on the other hand, can seem grainy and overly cluttered with unnecessary tiny details. And then there's Deep Floyd IF, a new model that also claims to cleverly integrate text into pictures. But again, when we put it up against DALL-E 3, the difference is clear. DALL-E 3 seamlessly combines text and images, creating a smoother and more realistic result. Deep Floyd IF's images, on the other hand, don't quite measure up, and they can feel somewhat artificial. Overall, DALL-E 3 is truly leading the way in the world of turning text into images. It's a significant improvement over DALL-E 2 and outshines other models currently available. What's remarkable is that it can produce outstanding images without requiring any additional adjustments. Moreover, its compatibility with ChatGPT makes it incredibly versatile and robust. The ease of use of an AI tool is paramount, and DALL-E 3 excels in this regard. And speaking of ChatGPT, it remains the top AI chatbot globally. While other chatbots may excel in specific tasks, ChatGPT's convenience is unparalleled, which is why it continues to be the preferred choice for many. Now, to truly appreciate its significance, we must rewind to the original DALL-E, which emerged in January 2021. Back then, it was nothing short of a groundbreaking innovation. Fast forward to April 2022, and the world witnessed the arrival of a remarkably advanced sequel. This sequel completely transformed the landscape of AI-generated imagery. The underlying technology driving these models is known as talent diffusion. It's a process that progressively refines noise into images based on the data the systems was trained on. But OpenAI didn't stop there. Their commitment to enhancing AI tools for text-to-image synthesis is part of a larger landscape. They're not alone in this quest. Several formidable competitors are also working diligently to perfect their image generation models. Each of these players brings something unique to the table, with some even having distinct advantages in specific niches. You know, DALL-E 3 is a remarkable AI creation, but it's far from perfect. It grapples with certain limitations and faces some significant challenges. As we've witnessed, the emergence of AI-generated images has brought about a fair share of controversies. Picture this: AI algorithms scouring vast datasets of human artwork. This has raised a lot of eyebrows in the artistic community. Many artists worldwide are genuinely concerned about how AI could potentially undermine or unethically replicate their unique styles. The fear of these happening has been so profound that it has led to protests, lawsuits over copyright infringements, and even rulings from the influential institutions such as the US Copyright Office. In addition, OpenAI is currently entangled in lawsuits filed by a group of prominent US authors, including household names like John Grisham and George R.R. Martin. These authors accuse OpenAI of utilizing their work without permission to GPT-like models. This legal battle underscores the importance of addressing these concerns. In response to these challenges, OpenAI has taken proactive steps to mitigate potential issues. They've curtailed DALL-E 3's capacity to generate violent, adult, or hateful content. They've also implemented measures to decline requests that explicitly name a public figure, preventing the generation of images that could be used for propaganda or misinformation. Additionally, they've designed DALL-E 3 to refuse requests for images, mimicking the style of a living artist, respecting the rights and creativity of other artists. But here's the catch: these actions aren't a silver bullet that guarantees the ethical responsible use of DALL-E 3. Numerous issues and controversies still loom large over AI image generation. Questions like who owns the right to images created by AI remain unanswered. Preserving the originality and authenticity of human-made art is another puzzle. And let's not forget about preventing the misuse or abuse of generated images for malicious purposes. That's why OpenAI is actively seeking solutions. They're hard at work developing a tool known as the Provenance Classifier. These tools aims to identify whether a particular image was created by DALL-E 3. OpenAI hopes that by using this tool, they can gain better insights into how generated images might be used. This knowledge will inform their future policies and practices, ensuring that AI-generated art respects the rights of human artists and promotes ethical use. There you have it, the incredible world of DALL-E 3. and the evolving landscape of AI-generated imagery. It's truly mind-boggling how technology is pushing the boundaries of creativity and imagination. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever wondered what you'd create if you had the power to turn your wildest ideas into stunning visuals with just a few words? How would you use DALL-E 3 to bring your imagination to life? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of AI and technology. Thanks for joining us on this journey. And until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep questioning what's possible.